All right, we've got our fins on, our engine mount on, our launch lug on. We're going to move into the recovery system of our rocket. First thing we're going to do is put in the shock cord. When the engine gets done pushing the rocket up, it just coasts for a couple seconds, and then it does what's called an ejection charge. It goes poof, and hot gases come out of the engine and push everything in here out. And that's how our parachute is going to come out of the rocket and bring it down safe. But when it does that, it pushes really hard. And so what we do to keep the parachute from just going breaking right off of the rocket is, we call this a shock cord. It's a piece of elastic. So when the ejection charges push it all out, it's going to go like this. Boing! And we want that. We want it to take the shock off of the parachute. So anyway, first thing we're going to do is take this piece of cardstock that's about this big. We're going to fold it in thirds. So I'm going to take it and like bend it this way and bend it that way. And when I get it pretty, these flaps kind of even, I'm going to press it down and make the crease. There it is, folded in thirds. Alright, next, I'm going to take one end of my shock cord. I'm going to lay it on here like that. I'm going to put glue in the middle section there, and I'm going to put this on without burning my fingers. And I'm going to fold this over. Now, the not burning your fingers part is important. Let me show you. You might want to use a pencil or a Sharpie or something. Like a Sharpie like this, just the end of it, to be pushing down on here because it's going to be hot even through the paper. So grab something. You know, if you had a board, that's great. Whatever, just so it's not your fingers. I'm going to put a bunch of glue right in the middle section. Zigzag, zigzag. Okay, that's good. I'm going to put my shock cord in there without getting my fingers in the glue. I'm just going to smash it over here, sandwich it in, and press down with your Sharpie or whatever you got. Scissors, just pressing. Okay, and if it squishes out the side, so what? We don't care. Your tabletop's protected, right? Now I'm going to put more glue on here. Just again, generous amount. My glue gun's running out of glue. I'll probably have to put more glue in a minute. And I'm just going to fold the whole thing over. Shock cord, fold it over, paper flap, and use your Sharpie. It's really hot. Okay, and see how glue's getting on my Sharpie and squirting out the edge? I really don't want my finger in that. It's hot. So, here we go. I'm just going to give it a minute to cool off a little. And be less hot. And when I pick it up, yeah, I need to wait another half a minute. It's plenty hot. Waiting. All right. It's still hot. It's still warm, I should say, but I'm not going to burn myself. I'm going to put glue on this, and I'm going to put it down inside the body tube, and I'm going to smash it in and press it down with a Sharpie or scissors or whatever, not your finger, because it's going to be hot. And I also need to be sure that I get it far enough down. The nose cone needs about this much space to fit in the tube. So this thing has to be below that. Like, so give it about an inch or two. We're going to get it down that far, smash it in and glue it. All right, here we go. I'm putting glue on here. Okay. And I'm going to put it in like, can you see there? It's about 2 inches down. I'm going to take my Sharpie put this on the table and smash it down. Smash it against the inside of the body tube. And I'm moving the Sharpie around, smashing down all the places. That's going to attach our shock cord to the body tube. Okay, I might just need to hold it while it cools off. Holding the pressure, holding it down so it stays stuck while that glue cools off and hardens. Okay, it's stuck in there. Great. Now that we've got our shock cord attached, you go ahead and unplug the hot glue gun. We're done with the hot glue for now. The next stuff that we do, we won't need it.